What enables method chaining with JavaScript return values? Imagine being able to perform several actions on an object with just one line of code. That's what method chaining allows you to do in JavaScript. But how does it work behind the scenes? Let's break it down. In JavaScript, functions and methods can return values that are used elsewhere. When you want to chain methods, each method needs to return something that lets the next method run on the same object. Usually, this is done by returning the special keyword this. The keyword this refers to the current object the method belongs to. When a method returns this, it gives back the object itself. So, after calling one method, you can immediately call another method on that same object. For example, if you have an object with methods that change its properties, each method can perform its task and then return this. This keeps the context consistent, so you can keep adding more method calls in a chain. Many JavaScript libraries like jQuery use this pattern. You might see code like object, method 1, method 2, method 3. Each method returns this, so the chain continues smoothly. If a method doesn't return this, the chain stops because the next call would be on an undefined or unrelated value. Designing methods to return this is simple but powerful. It makes your code shorter and easier to read. Instead of writing separate lines for each method, you can combine them into one fluid expression. This is especially helpful when you want to perform multiple operations on the same object quickly. In functions and asynchronous JavaScript, return values are key. Returning this from methods ensures that the object stays in focus across multiple calls. It's important to understand how this behaves in JavaScript, especially inside methods, to make sure it points to the right object. In summary, method chaining in JavaScript works because methods are designed to return the object itself by returning this. This keeps the object context alive and allows you to string together multiple method calls easily. It's a simple idea that makes your code cleaner and more efficient, especially when working with complex objects or libraries.